Okay, YouTubers, I'm going to show you how to change the brake light on this 2007 Q7 Audi 4.2. And show you which one's not working. That's the light that's not working, you see. Look at this side. So that's the one we're going to fix or replace. Okay, first thing we want to do is open that back hatch. And it's gonna be under this cover. We need to remove this cover to get to it. Okay, you're gonna have to remove this cover. The light bulbs are under this cover, so you're gonna have to remove it with the panel trim removing tool. But I found that these are kind of thick and don't fit in here real good. So what I'm using, just be real careful. This paint scraper, it's got that point. I can stick it in here and see I can start prying it like that. Okay, it's gonna drop because the clips are up here, but that's okay. Okay, it didn't fall. Good. And then you pull on it straight down. That's what's holding it. Those two little holes go into these little studs right there, just like that. These two right here. And here's the bolt we're gonna change. Just twist it clockwise. Nope, counterclockwise. And it comes out. And these are the bolts we're gonna use. Get my hand out of the part number in case y'all need that. Okay. Okay, I had to put the camera down. And I always use gloves when I mess with these light bulbs. You don't wanna, all you do is twist and it comes out. That grease, oil from your hands shortens their life. Okay, now you put it in there, twist it, and it locks. And now we put it back in here. Find the slots for it, clockwise, and it's in. Okay. When you put the cover, you see those little cuts right there? Make sure they slide in part of the frame up there, right here. Just slide them in. It's hard because I'm zoomed in. See those? How they have a design there. So just slide in. That's all you do. Slide it in. And make sure you line up these two studs. There, it's in. It's sealed real good. And that's all there is to it, guys. Alright, let's see if it works. So let me shut the hatch. And the lights should come on when it shuts. There you go. It's working. It was the outside one. Okay, guys. Like always, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you. And God bless and good luck.